Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. I'm finally ready to sell some fabric bundles that I've been hoarding since last fall. Hello, I just wanted to let you know that I'm sorry that I lost the footage of me actually showing what's in each bundle. It was totally accidental. I did all this last year, this rolling of the bundles, and I don't know where the footage went. It got gobbled up by some digital monster or something. But if you are new, please be assured that there are at least 25 pieces of fabric in each bundle, and I don't skimp, okay? And I know my returning people will understand. And you can look back in my playlists or just search for fabric bundles in my videos, and you'll find, like, at the end of each video there will be pictures of me or videos of me showing the fabrics and whatever. But yeah, it just didn't happen this time, so again, I apologize. So let's get this party started. These are one-offs. Oh, I need to get my list. Okay. This is a one-off blue and green. This is a one-off autumns. I am going to mark those at $15 each. Now, I have these chunky monkeys. They are black, silver, and white, and they are blingy and fat. So I think I have 9 of those. They are $20 each. Now here's how this plays. $20 each. If you only buy 1 or 2, we're going to add $5 shipping. This goes for the whole thing here. If you buy 3 or more, it's free shipping. I'm going to put my email address at the end of this video. That's how you get a hold of me if you want anything, if you have any questions. But this is black, white, and silver. There's 9 of them, and they are $20 a piece. I have 4 Crybaby Blues. They're a good mix. And I need to say, I do not have any videos showing me rolling the fabrics this time. You need to go back in my old fabric release videos to see kind of what goes on. But I cannot repeat anything. I can only make things that are similar. But these are Crybaby Blues. They're pretty chunky too. I have 4 of those. They're $20 a piece. This is purple and black. I love these. They are $20 a piece, and they're very gothic. These have a lot of wedding dress fabric in them. They're whites with gold. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those. These are just really pretty. And white on white, you'd think it'd be boring, but it's very elegant. So 10 of those at $20 a piece. We had all white, now we have all black. These are chunky. They're just all different textures and shades of black. Got a little skull lace action going on there. 2, 4, 6, 7 of those, $20 a piece. Okay, these were my original wedding dress, lace, whatever. There's a few extra stuff put in there too, but there's like 30 to 35 pieces in these. I'm going to mark those down to $25. Three of those. These are golds. 2, 4. Looks like we did 6 of these. They're very pretty. I wish I did have, I think I did have at one time the videos of me rolling them and showing you what was in them, but that footage is now in Australia. So 2, 4, 6 of these at $20. Okay, I'm going to try to find a picture of my quilt at work to insert here. These will make that quilt. And guess what? There's 16 of them. So if you actually wanted to do a quilt size quilt or whatever, there is plenty here. They're darkest of blues, a little tan, a little gold, a little whatever, metallics. But see, there's different shades of blue, not just one shade of blue. But we have 16 of them, $20 a piece. We have pink and ecru. These are nice sized and they make a really pretty, no, we don't. We have 3 pink and ecru. This is peach green and ecru. Ah, I see that now. So let me correct myself here. Pink and cream, only 3 of those. Okay, these are $20. This is the only one left of these. These are really pretty. So there's the sagey green, the ecru, and the pink with some gold. There's only one of those, and it's $20. For you Amish lovers, we have purple, black, and teal. I have 3 of those, and they are $20. And for you steampunk people, two, 4, 6, 7 of those. 7 steampunk, which is black, brown, gold, metallic. Yeah, I love these. Wish I could find my skirt. I think I know where it is now, but I can't get to it. But these are way cool. $20 a piece on the steampunk. Okay, these are black and white. There's no silver in them. 2, 4. We have 8 of those. Very graphic. 8 black and whites, $20 a piece. Okay, we have the Christmas. The red and the green. There are 9 of those. Get a jump on your holiday projects. $20 for the Christmas. And if you're in a red hat society, we have 5 red and purple bundles. They're way cool. Way cool. $20 on those. Everything is mostly 20, just those first ones weren't. Okay, these are ecru and sage. Very elegant. I have 3 of those. $20 each. These are burgundies. Two, 4, 6 burgundies left. I think I had 8 to start. I was going to do something with them, but no. They are for sale for $20 each. Barbara, this is for you, Barbara, in Oregon. The darkest of blues. These would make a fabulous wall hanging or bag or whatever. 2, 4, 6, 8 darkest of blues. $20 a piece. And last but not least, we have a neutral bundle. Cream, ecru, white. 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. This is very popular. You can use it for weddings, for anniversary gifts. Even if your bedroom is decorated like this, make a pillow. Make 2 pillows. I have 8 of them. They are $20 a piece. Okay, thus concludes today's fabric release. Right after this will be my email. I think actually I'm going to put it at the beginning of this video too. But please email me and let me know what you want. If you buy 3 or more, the shipping is free. If not, I'm going to add $5 to your order. And I will invoice you. I will need an email address or a phone number to invoice you. So, happy sewing, people. I love you.